My name is Waylon, and I'm one of the managers here at the Arcos Storage in Manteca, California. Arcos Storage is located at 1654 North Main Street, Manteca, California, 95336, right off the 99 freeway and diagonally across from the Kia car dealership.
My name is Erica. I'm a manager here at Arcos Storage. What sets us apart here at Arcos Storage is our security and our cleanliness. We have 42 cameras on site. We are surveilling 24/7 with a manager on the property 7 days a week. But more importantly, it's our customer service. We treat everybody like family.
We have units as small as a 3x3 all the way up to an 8x22. For tenants on our second floor, we have a freight elevator available for your convenience. To streamline your moving process, we do offer carts and ollies. We offer a wide range of moving supplies with prices starting as low as 99 cents. We also have some of your harder to find items such as dish packs and wardrobe boxes.
Thank you for choosing Arcos Storage. Come in today and ask about our manager specials.